Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to remove all posts from bookmarks on X. So, as currently my X account is currently off and I can't log in right now. So I'm going to show you the steps or key steps to remove all bookmarks on X app. So if you're on your X application, open the app and tap your profile icon, and then there select bookmarks and tap the three dots icon, and from there select clear all bookmarks. Press yes, I'm sure to confirm. And if you're in your X website, open the website in browser, expand more and select bookmarks and select the three dots. Select here and clear all bookmarks and confirm removing bookmarks with clear button. You can also remove individual bookmarks by tapping the share icon from the post and select remove from bookmarks. So yeah, this is the way with which you can remove all bookmarks, not just from the X application, but also the X website. Hope this quick video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.